Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making 3 easy breakfast recipe. Super easy. That's I love it in the morning. They are easy taste and don't take much time. So let's start. Firstly, I am going to make French toast with Kithul Treacle. Alright, first one. French toast is very simple. I'm at 2 eggs and milk, 2 tablespoons of sugar and little bit of cinnamon powder. This one is totally optional. I'm just going to whisk egg, milk, sugar and little bit of cinnamon powder. Now dip the bread in. Make sure both sides are coated. Add little butter. We want that nice gold and brown color. This usually takes about 2 minutes on each side. Okay, that's look perfect. Okay, let's plate it. Now I am at Kithul Treacle for my French toast. Look at that, simple but so delicious. Crispy outside, soft inside. I love this recipe. Next recipe, mash avocado with poached egg and bacon. I'm spread little butter and now grill. My bread is ready. Now I am going to make poached egg for my mash avocado. First boil water, then add little bit of vinegar. Now I am add egg. This one need to keep 3 minutes. My poached egg is ready. Now I am going to cook bacon for my mash avocado. Just cook it how you like, crispy or soft. My bacon is ready. Now I am going to make avocado dressing for my mash avocado, but you can use any salad. Eat with this sauce. For avocado sauce, we need half avocado, coriander, a little bit lemon and 100 grams of sour cream. Now I am going to blend. Now I am going to season my sauce, little bit salt, little bit pepper, blend again. My avocado sauce is ready. Look at that. I'm add a little bit tomato dice and some coriander leaves, and this is my avocado sauce. Little bit pepper, little bit salt. Right, mix it well. Lemon juice. Now I am going to add my mixer on bread top. A little bit diced tomato, little bit coriander, and my poached egg and salt, pepper, slice of bacon. My mash avocado is ready. This looks like a cafe breakfast, but it's so easy. And look, when you cut into it, the yolk just melt into the avocado. So creamy and so good. Lastly, I am making super quick ham and cheese sandwich. Okay, let's start. Applying little butter on the bread. Then ham and cheese. Nice and simple. If you want, you can add tomato and lettuce. That's totally optional. I'm add one slice of mozzarella cheese slice. That's also optional. So I love that. That's why. I am going to toast my sandwich. You can use grill or fan. Today I am using grill. Time to turn. I am going to cut it now. Look at that. Great for busy morning, work or school. Alright, those are my 3 easy breakfast recipe. Let me know in the comment what you're going to try first. French toast, mash avocado or classic ham and cheese sandwich. If you love this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. See you in the next video.